Do your kids or you love Nutella? I've got a much healthier version for you today. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where healthy foods and healthy supplements come together in creative recipes that hopefully keep you inspired and keep your recipes new, interesting, and fun. Today, we are going to be making a collagen-rich hazelnut spread. Let's begin by roasting your hazelnuts. On a baking sheet, spread out 10 ounces or about 2.5 cups in a single layer. Roast in a 350 degree preheated oven for about 11 or so minutes, or until the skins have darkened and begin to crack. Let them cool to the touch, about 10 minutes, and then place them onto a clean kitchen cloth and rub them pretty vigorously to remove most of the skins. Now we're ready to add our hazelnuts to your food processor. These hazelnuts are going to pair so nicely with our collagen powder because both of them support your digestion, healthy joints, healthy bones, and healthy skin. Process until you get a smooth, buttery consistency, anywhere from 3 to 6 minutes, being sure to scrape down the sides. Next, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of cacao powder. This is also going to help support your digestion and your skin. It may also help lift your mood and help with anxiety. We're now going to add in a little bit of sweetness. I have some powdered Cacao, which is a low glycemic sweetener that consists of erythritol and monk fruit extract. You are absolutely welcome to use your own preferred sweetener here. You will want it to be a powdered consistency though, so something like powdered coconut sugar can work really well. And you know, it really depends on how sweet you want this spread to be. I think I'm only going to add in some of this 1/3 of a cup and then wait and taste it and see if I want to add in more. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Last but not least, I'm going to add in 2 scoops of our clean source collagen powder. Again, it supports your digestion, your skin, your hair, your nails, your teeth, and your joints. Process again until all of your ingredients are well incorporated. This is a great time to give it a taste and see if you'd like to add in more sweetener. You could also add in some coconut oil if you'd like a thinner consistency. Remember, it is going to thicken up when you place it into the refrigerator. Okay, we're ready to give this hazelnut spread a taste. I'm just going to use a spoon, but there are many ways that you can enjoy this. That is some chocolatey goodness. That is so good. It's not too sweet. I did end up using the full 1/3 a cup of Cacao. And there's many ways that you can kind of make this your own. So I was thinking you could add in a little bit of cayenne pepper, my favorite, for some spice. You could add in some fresh ginger root. Can you imagine how good that would be? You could add in some Ceylon cinnamon. Oh my goodness, there are so many different ways that you can just make this work for you. Again, remember, if you want a thinner consistency, absolutely add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil so that it's more spreadable, or if you want it a little bit thicker, like I like it, leave it as is. You can use this as a wonderful dip for fresh fruit. You could spread it on your favorite sandwich. You could spread it on your pancakes in the morning, or you can just use a spoon and eat it right out of the jar. Super healthy too, so much better for you than the Nutella that you would find in the store. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. We appreciate you. We value your feedback. Be sure to leave your thoughts in the comment section below to Take amazing care of yourself this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen.